Quantum advantage, quantum supremacy, breakthrough. You hear these words every quarter. Most press releases use them wrong. Here is the clean definition. Quantum advantage means solving a specific problem faster, cheaper, or more accurately than the best-known classical method on hardware that exists, with results you can verify. Not a toy circuit. Not a cherry-picked chart. Not a simulation claiming victory over itself. Today we separate the benchmarks that matter from the headlines that do not. And we build a scorecard you can use on every announcement. 3 terms. 3 different bars. Supremacy, or computational advantage, means a quantum device did something a classical machine cannot practically reproduce. Advantage means quantum wins on a useful task with a fair comparison. Utility means the win matters commercially, not just academically. Google crossed supremacy territory in 2019 with random circuit sampling. Impressive physics. Limited immediate business value. In 2026, the industry shifted focus toward advantage and utility on optimization, chemistry, and simulation. Watch which word a vendor uses. It tells you which bar they are actually clearing. Here is the scorecard. 1. Problem relevance. Does anyone pay to solve this? 2. Classical baseline. Did you beat the best classical solver, not your intern script? 3. Error bars and reproducibility. Did the results survive rerun on different days? 4. Resource comparison. Qubits, runtime, energy, and engineering cost versus classical HPC. 5. Scaling trend. Does the advantage grow with problem size or shrink? A single point on a chart is a photo. A trend line is evidence. Honest map for 2026. Winning niches right now. Quantum simulation of specific molecules and materials where classical methods choke. Structured optimization pilots where hybrid quantum classical solvers squeeze extra convergence. Random circuit sampling and benchmarking for hardware validation, not products. Quantum sensing and networking protocols that are not general computing but still quantum native. Losing or unproven niches right now. General machine learning at scale. Breaking production RSA keys. Replacing your SQL database. Know which bucket a claim sits in before you forward the link. Red flags to memorize. Comparing against a weak classical baseline nobody uses in production. Announcing advantage on a problem with no commercial buyer. Varying error mitigation tricks that fail on larger instances. Publishing one run without overnight stability data. Conflating qubit count with performance. Using supremacy language when the demo is a micro benchmark. The fix is boring and powerful. Ask for the classical competitor by name. Ask for the data set. Ask whether independent teams reproduced it. 5-minute filter. Step 1. What exact problem was solved? Step 2. What classical tool was compared? Step 3. What size and error rate? Step 4. Who funded it and who verified independently? Step 5. Would a buyer care within 12 months? If you cannot answer 3 of 5, file it under interesting research, not market shift. This filter saves careers and budgets. Use it on every quantum headline in your feed. Your move. Build a simple tracking sheet. Vendor, problem class, classical baseline, qubit count, error mitigation used, independent reproduction yes or no. Update it monthly. Patterns emerge fast. You will see who delivers utility and who delivers posters. Quantum advantage is coming in slices, not tsunamis. Chemistry slices. Optimization slices. Sensing slices. Tune in tomorrow. We map the full quantum stack end-to-end, hardware, software, cloud, and where the money flows in 2026. Subscribe if you want the future without the fluff.